Hello dear students, I am teacher Cheryl and welcome to our arts class. Yesterday, we discussed about the arts and crafts of the Southeast Asian countries. Before we proceed with our lesson, I am going to show you pictures. What you are going to do is to say something about the pictures presented. What have you noticed about the pictures? Very good! These pictures are an example of a sculpture. Now, let us proceed to our lesson. Stone carving in Cambodia has been both a passion and a livelihood for many Cambodian sculptors. From small statues to the breathtaking carvings found at Angkor Wat, this art medium has become one of the country's most cherished art forms. Thailand is world famous for its sculpture that dates back 4,000 years. The famous sculpture in Wat Pho in Bangkok is 46 meters long and 15 meters high. It is made of plaster on a brick core and finished in gold leaf. Lao artisans use a variety of media in their sculpture creations. Typically, the precious metals such as bronze, silver, and gold are used. Famous sculpture in Laos is the Phrabang, which is also cast in gold. Here's an example of their creations. Vietnamese sculpture has been heavily influenced by the three traditional religions, Taoism, Confucianism, and Buddhism. The statues in the 5 provinces of Vietnam include couples embracing, pregnant women, people in mourning, elephants, and birds. Indonesia, on the other hand, is known for its stone, bronze, and iron age arts. The native Indonesian tribes usually create sculptures that depict ancestors, deities, and animals. Most of Malaysia's sculptures are relief. The craft is divided into ukiran halus or fine carving and ukiran kasar, literally meaning rough carving. Singapore is known for its Merlion, which is a combination of mermaid and lion. The Merlion is also partly inspired by the story of how Singapore got its name, or the Singapura story. Sculpture in Brunei takes on a more utilitarian role than an aesthetic one. Examples of their creations can be seen at the ASEAN squares in the ASEAN member countries. For your output today, you need a perla soap, cuticle pusher or barbecue stick, and scissors. For your reference, please watch the video on the next slide. That ends our lesson for today. Thank you so much, class, for your participation. See you again tomorrow for another lesson in arts. Goodbye!